So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an NPC dialog system in your Roblox Studio game. So first of all, you need to go here to the Creator Hub and search for the NPC dialog made by Orgax. I will leave you the link in the description if you want. And then go back to your Roblox Studio, go to the toolbox, choose Inventory, and then choose the NPC dialog system. As you can see, we have it here. We can change the position, and then let's say we want only this one. You can delete this. This is just by touching, and then this is just and if you want to interact with the key E in your keyboard. Let's test it out, and to change the text, just go to here to the handler and then change this text here, and it will be okay. Let's test it here. So as you can see, this is just by coming to him, and this one is by clicking on the E key to interact with it. As I said, you can modify this text, and it doesn't fit just because it's not full screen right now, but in your game it will fit goodly. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.